For this problem, we're asked to solve, which I said a moment ago, we don't really know what that means yet. Solve a system. We know a system's more than one equation. We have two there. But it does say by graphing. So let's go ahead and graph this. We know what graphing means. Once we graph them, we should have a pretty good idea of what they mean by solving it anyway. We're going to graph these one at a time, so let's just do the first one. Pretend the second one isn't even there. This first equation says plus 2 at the end. Let's start at positive 2. But this equation just says x. There's no slope listed. Can someone tell me what the slope actually is? Peter? It's a 1. And we said whole numbers are over 1. So this slope is 1 over 1, positive 1 over 1. So from the positive 2 that I started, I'm going to go up 1, right 1, up 1, right 1, and again, make as many points as you can before you run out of room, because the more points you have, the easier it will be to see the solution at the end. Go ahead and connect all your dots. There's my first line. I'm going to graph the second line the exact same way, pretend the first one isn't even there, and just start graphing things. My second line says minus 2 at the end, so I'm going to start down to negative 2. This slope says 3, and it's a positive 3. I'm going to put it over 1 because it's a whole number, rise over run. So I'm going to go up 3, 1, 2, 3, and right 1 because it's positive. Up 3, 1, 2, 3, and right 1. I also can go down 3 and left 1 because two negatives make a positive also. I'm going to connect all the dots that I just made. And again, you want it to go all the way across your grid. And now comes the important part. We were asked to solve this by graphing. It didn't just say graph this. We graphed it because it said by graphing. We're supposed to solve it. We need to find a solution. Looking at this graph, does anyone see something worth pointing out that is probably going to be what we're looking for? We're asked to solve it, so we're looking for something specific. Anise?
They meet at that point.
They meet. Someone give me a better word than meet, but that is correct. Brenna? They intersect. Some people just say cross, but yes, they intersect right here at this point. That point, the point of intersection, is the solution. That's exactly what we're looking for. So all I have to do is say what this point is. So our solution to this is a point, which means I need x, comma, y. That point was on the x-axis 1, 2, and on the y-axis up 1, 2, 3, 4. So positive 2, positive 4. That is the solution to this.